Hi friends, this is Lokesh Gorandla. Welcome to Testing Tutorials. And today we are going to discussing about the what is a string in Java. A string is basically a class. It defines in java.language package. It is a primitive. It is not a primitive data type like int and long. A string class represents the character strings. A string is immutable and final in Java. Means immutable and final means if we cannot able to change, we cannot able to modify that value. Due to this only, we are going to represent the database values to assigning to the string format. It is a security. And string object, it is basically going to store that as string pool. A string pool to store all the string objects. We can able to create the two type of strings. One is using new keyword, another one directly we are going to give. This first one, it will be outside of the string pool, it will store the value. This inside the string pool, it will store the value. Like I'll explain you drawing the diagram. Imagine this is our heap memory and this is our string pool. Okay, now I'm going to take two strings, creating using the new keyword str equal to new string value as abc. I'm going to copy the same string using another string, same abc only. These are my two strings. Okay, another two strings directly assigning the value str equal to abc, string str1 equal to abc. I told you, right? This one heap memory and this one is string pool. Now this is my string pool, this is my heap memory. I created the two strings. Okay, one is string 1 and another one is string 1, but value is same. Okay, then it will create one object for this and it will assign the value equal to abc. It will store inside the heap memory. Okay, whenever we are creating the second string using the same value, it will check that object if it is already value is present or not. If value is already presented, then it will access the same object. It will not create the another memory. But if you are creating using new keyword, outside it will create the two objects. One object equal to abc and another object also. It will create object 1 equal to abc. Here new keyword we are using, that's why it is creating the outside of the string pool. It is not storing the value. It is outside of the string, but it is storing into the heap memory only. But it is create the every new object, it is going to create the new, but it will not access the already presented value. If both the values are same also, it will create the another new object. It will not create the, it will not access the old one. If you are creating like this, a string str equal to directly assigning the value, it will goes inside the heap memory, it will store the value. Whenever you created the second object with the same value, then it will check into the heap memory whether the value is present or not inside the string pool. Once the object is presented, then it will access that already presented value, that it will refer that value. It will not create the new object into the string pool. It will access the old one. In case the value is not exist, imagine now my string str2 equal to BEAC. This is my second object. Then what will happen is string object, it will check the whether this object is present or not in the string pool. If it does not exist, then it will create the str2 equal to BAC. One another object it will create inside the string pool. This is all about the string object and string type. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like my video and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.